If you're like me and you live in a climate that gets below freezing on a regular basis in the winter, you already know that frozen pipes can be a big concern. And if you have a water spigot or water faucet outside your home that you either can't drain the pipes for or you don't want to, making sure that those pipes don't freeze is a really important thing. And that's why today I'm excited to talk to you about these water faucet covers. They were sent to me by the company so that I can show you how they work and give you my honest opinion after using them. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I have two of them here. And first of all, they're insulated. So there's insulation in here to help keep any warmth that's coming from inside your home that's coming out through those pipes to try and help keep that contained so things don't freeze. In addition, the exterior of this is water resistant. So if it rains or snows and it gets on this, it's going to help repel that to keep it from getting on your faucet or spigot and freezing. Now, once you put it on your water spigot, you'll want to tighten this up because this is going to be too big. And so there's two things that they give us here. We have this elastic band that you can see tightens it up really nice, and then I can just adjust it like so and keep it nice and tight. And then we also have these Velcro straps, and we can just wrap them around nice and tight. And so really it's double reinforced to keep it in place once you have it on there. So let me show you how I put it on my water spigot on my house. All right, so I just put it on like so and make sure that I get it past where the water comes out the bottom of the spigot. And again, I'll tighten it like this. And you can see how it's making a seal right up next to my house. And then I'm going to next get the Velcro nice and snug. And that's it. Super easy to do. And as you can see, it makes a nice seal on the outside of the house. So if you want to protect your home and help prevent your pipes from freezing, these affordable faucet cover socks are a great thing to check out. I hope this video was helpful. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.